Welcome to Whiteland Restorations, and Leanne is back.
I'm back, and I've brought something with me.
Yay! Question time for the baby.
Oh, there we go. Say hello to everybody, Louisa.
Hello, Louisa.
No, it's been a long break, but I'm back in the workshop today.
Yeah, back for an intro.
Oh my word!
It's okay.
We're all right.
We're all right. Oh. No, we're still okay. We're still okay. So yeah, we're back introing, and might help me lift a bit of glass.
Yeah.
But we are doing glass.
We're doing glass. That's why I'm here. That's why you're here. Yeah. Very light duties, but Lewis needs another pair of hands to lift some glass into the Volvo.
Windscreen's a bit tricky to lift by yourself.
Yeah.
And it's tricky to put the rear window in with a rubber by yourself.
Especially when you've got a big old ducktail to lift it over.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to do windscreen, rear window, and the little rear quarter lights today. And then in the next video we'll tackle doors, I think.
Yeah, putting the doors back together and sorting out a little added extra.
No, we'll do separate. That's a whole separate
thing. That's another episode.
Yeah.
Oh my, you are in for a treat, honestly.
For a treat. Episodes
coming out of your yeah.
Episodes coming out my ears.
Oh dear.
Now the central lock-in, we've got a whole video planned on remote central lock-in and even a remote boot opener, which would be cool.
With a secret button, I think.
With a secret button, and I don't know if it's going to pop with the heavy spoiler on, but we need to put some extra struts or something.
Yeah, we haven't put. I did order a set of custom-made gas struts for this boot, but they sent me the wrong ones.
Yeah, they sent 700 series ones, not 200 series. And
then they wouldn't take them back because they were custom-made. Yeah. Oh, it was a nightmare. I'll tell you about that at the time.
Yeah, another day.
We're going to be looking for some more.
So let's start with the rear screen. Nice and simple one to start with. Bit of easy old, pull it in with a string.
He says easy.
It says easy.
Yeah, let's see how it goes, shall we?
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Grease, we need some grease.
We need to clean the aperture and grease the hole. How clean is it?
What, my hole?
Oh
my hole
dear.
is pretty clean. Just run your finger around the edge.
Done.
I don't know how much of that's going to get cut out, but you're welcome.
Oh.
Bit of grease. I'll put it on the rubber as well. It's not getting embarrassed. This is going to help stop moisture, help stop rust, and help the old windscreen go in.
Now it's been so long since we started stripping the car, but did we have holes in the corners here?
We did. Had a hole there and a hole in one of these fluties, so we need to do a bit of Dynaxing in the fluties. A bit of Dynax.
Not sponsored, but Dynax is the best stuff, and if Dynax, Built Hammer did want to sponsor us, we wouldn't object. The rubbers are pretty good, they're pretty supple.
They are pretty good actually, considering the age of the car, they are in good nick.
Luckily, they didn't have the same ideas when they made the biodegradable wiring.
Right, I've greased around the rubber as well, so now it's time to just lay in the string. So just poke it in between the layers, make sure it goes right in there. Huge thank you to Hawk Window Tinting, who did the tinting for us. Did a bloody excellent job, didn't he?
Very good job.
He's now got his own clothing brand going on in a shop in Abereron.
Yeah, Hawk cool. Clothing actually. It's
really nice clothing, yeah. That's some really nice designs, so check him out.
If you're down our way, head into Abereron. If you're in
Abereron, yeah, go and find his shop. Super nice guy, super good at tinting windows, super good at making clothing. Who knew? Well,
we did. Right, time to pop the glass in. Up and over the ducktail. Okay, we'll be laying it on.
Yes.
Towards you, Vic. Okay, towards me. There we go. There we go. Good.
Quite. It also helps everything settle up, doesn't it? Right, there we go. So next piece of glass to put in is going to be the windscreen. We're going to bond the windscreen in. Now we're not going to be using the same stuff Volvo used because I don't know what that icky, disgusting, tarry crap was.
Have you ever seen the film Venom?
Yeah, I've seen Venom.
That's what that stuff is.
Venom goo was holding in the windscreen and the rear quarter side windows. We're going to be using a normal modern day windscreen adhesive. This window does look to be a replacement. It's not a Volvo window, and it is quite a nice window.
It's got a blue tint.
It's got a blue tint top, but there is one fairly major defect just of here, the big old chip in this. The worry is when we're putting the screen in, you need to give it a bit of a bump to make sure the glue seats nicely. And I'm worried a little bit if we hit that too hard, that could send a fracture straight through the screen. So we're going to try a UV resin repair. So I'm just going to blob a few bits of UV resin on there, cure it, and that might give it a little bit more hold to stop it spreading, to stop it cracking, to stop anything, because it's a weak point now. Right, for the bonding material, we're going to be using Master Bond.
Bond. James Bond.
And it says it's 1 hour drive away. Structural windscreen bonding adhesive. That sounds pretty damn Bond. Special nozzle, which has got a guide and a triangular cutout to make a little pyramid shaped bead of sealer. So let's lay that down and up, vertical, on top of your hands, swap my hands, right, play it in the middle, bottom in the middle, so it's going at the top, and then let it down. How much room you got your side? I've got a small gap up here. We are on a roll, guys. The front windscreen went in very easily, and so did the rear one, the rear screen. So we're going to tackle these little quarter lights now. I don't know if you can tell, but this one is nice and clean, and this one's got a layer of fairly caked on scum just in a few places. I'm just going to show you how I like to remove that. So I like to use a mini polisher and some G3, and I think it's quite a good way of getting rid of the scum that's still left behind. Plus, if you give the whole glass a buff, it brings the whole thing up and makes it look $1,000,000 again. Obviously, you want to keep a hand on the glass, make sure it doesn't just There we go.
First lot of glass is in.
First lot of glass is in. Bit of bondage was had.
Oh, all the fun, eh? All the fun and
fun.
games. No, it's looking awesome. I can't get over the difference just having the back glass in next to the back end of the
It
car.
makes the car look more
Bigger.
bigger because more
glass.
yeah, because it's not see-through anymore.
Yeah,
is it? It looks more
substantial.
more bold.
Yeah, definitely. Nope, coming together lovely.
Yep.
The rear door glass is tinted as well, so that's gonna.
Rear door glass is tinted. We've gone as dark as legally allowed with the tint, basically. Yes. Front windows, that's all that's changed with the recent rulings. That'll be fun.
Have the glass changed in the rulings?
I don't think so.
I don't
no.
think the glass has changed.
It's hard to say what they do, isn't it?
Well, it's legal when we had it done,
Yes.
which is all that matters.
Anyway, front windows aren't tinted at all, so keep us in the legal spectrum. So,
A huge thank you to all our patrons and members. Thank you very much for your support and all your
Yes.
messages.
thank you very much for your ongoing support. We love
Yes.
it. We love it.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Please go to our merch store or our website and follow to the merch store.
Yep.
And buy a t-shirt or a jumper. I mean,
Or a
or a
mug.
cup
Yeah, mugs
or
are
a
great.
sticker.
Can't go wrong with mugs.
Yeah, I mean, you'd be a mug not to.
Oh, funny.
Anyway,
And it's goodbye from this little one as well. Won't be long before she's getting her own set of spanners.
no. Already bought her overalls.
Yeah. Right, see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.